can't let it show. Sentra looking rough, but I still want to smoke. Hit the scrap yard, print somebody know. Side skirt, buried in the bag of rope. So I had to tell you that I couldn't fix the rocker panel because it was too rusted out. So instead I cut out all the rust and then went to the scrap yard to find a skirt kit to cover the missing rocker panel. I got to the scrap yard and the skirt kit was hidden in the back row. I got the skirt kit and went home and painted the skirt kit black and installed it on the Sentra. And now the Sentra looks better than ever.
We're in the Nissan Sentra, and we are on our way to Aaron's house right now. We got the paint, and we're gonna go paint the skirt kit, install the skirt kit. Well, first we're gonna prep the skirt kit, then we're gonna paint the skirt kit, then we're gonna install the skirt kit, and let's see how we can make it look in a short period of time. All right, so we're at Aaron's, and today we are going to paint these skirt kits because I am a genius. And I picked up beautiful skirt kits for this car. They, today, are going to be cleaned, painted, and installed. Now, what that's going to do is, it's going to hide all that. All this.
Rust on a rocker, I can't let it show. Sentra looking rough, but I still want to smoke. Hit the scrap yard, print somebody know. Side skirt, buried in the bag of rope.
So, let's get this skirt kit painted. Alright, so we got the ace tone. We'll get the magic eraser, go over it one more time, and a little scuff and paint. Now, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So, we're at the sanding block. We're just gonna, go over this. Sand it down lightly, scuff it, just so that the paint adheres better, and it takes off any of the last film. So, sanding is done on this one. Sanding is done on this one. So basically, now we're just gonna paint them. All right, so we have the skirt kits hung from a tree. Super normal. And that is our base coat. So we'll come back for the next coat, see how it goes. And the skirt kits have had their second coat. So they're looking really good. Like, impressively good. Probably the best tree hanging paint job one could hope for. So now basically they just need to be fitted. So next time you see this thing, skirt kit. So we've got the skirt kit on. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry to do all the finishings, touch up, get it all proper. But this is what we're looking at. This is what it looks like so far. Instead of the giant rust spot. Skirt kit. And this side looks pretty good too. We can remove this now. And final. Looking good.